Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Mayeni telling Samselegu and his brother to stop disrespecting them as wives. Tensions has erupted in the Mselegu household once again, and this time Mayeni is not holding back. In a heated moment, she fired a sharp warning at Vukile, Mosamselegu's brother, making it clear that she would not tolerate any interference in the fragile balance of the wives. Don't come and cause problems between the wives here because you will leave and go to your happy wives, Mayeni told Vukile. Her voice laced with frustration and exhaustion. Her words carried an undeniable truth. While Mselegu and his brother could leave whenever they pleased, the wives were the ones left behind to deal with the fallout. For years, the dynamics between Mosamselegu's wives have been anything but simple. Polygamy, by its nature, comes with its share of challenges, and Mayeni has always been vocal about her discomfort with certain aspects of it. Each new conflict, it became clear that the sister wives, after finding themselves in emotional draining situations, especially when outside voices stir the pot. Vukile's involvement in the household affair has not been well received, and Mayeni's sharp words show just how deep her frustration runs. She is tired of men stepping into their lives, adding fuel to already existing tension, and then walking away without facing the consequences. Her statement was not just a warning to Vukile, but also a reflection of the reality she and the other wives face. A life where their struggles are often dismissed, while men get to move on unscattered. Her words also hint at an unspoken truth. Despite being part of the polygamous marriage, happiness is not always shared equally. While Mselegu has often spoken about balance and fairness, Mayeni's frustration suggests that some wives might be happier than others, and she refused to let someone like Vukile disrupt whatever fragile peace remains. But what exactly did Vukile do to trigger such a response? Was he merely commenting on household matters, or was there something more personal at play? Did he say something to pit the wives against each other? Or was he taking Musa's side in one of the many ongoing tensions in the family? Whatever the case, one thing is clear. Mayeni has drawn a line. She refuses to be a passive participant in a situation that continually puts the wives at odds while the men walk away unscattered. Let the wives handle their own issues without unnecessary interference from those who don't have to live with the consequences. As the drama continues to unfold, all eyes will be on Mselegu, his wives, and Vukile. Will he take Mayeni's words to heart, or will he continue to insert himself into matters that are not his to meddle in? And more importantly, will Mayeni's bold stand lead to real change in the household, or will it only create more tension among the wives? Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.